how to install Waka TV on Skyworth TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Waka TV on your Skyworth television. If your Skyworth television is running Android TV, it's easy. Just go to Settings, Security, and allow installation from unknown sources. Then, open a browser or use the downloader app to search Waka TV APK. Download it from a trusted site like APK Pure. Once downloaded, install it, launch the app, and you're set. But if your Skyworth isn't an Android television, like if it's a SmartCast or basic smart TV, you won't be able to install APKs directly. Instead, use a streaming device like an Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV box, or Google Chromecast with Google TV. Install Waka TV on that device, then plug it into your smart television via HDMI. You can also screen mirror from your phone if you've already got Waka TV running there. Either way, you'll be able to watch in minutes. Just choose the method that fits your setup.